Feeling lost in the maze of web hosting options, wondering if Bluehost is good for blogging? Stick around because in this video, we're unpacking the hype around this popular hosting service. We'll delve into the good, the bad, and the crucial facts you need to know before you commit. So you want to know, is Bluehost good for blogging? The short answer is yes. Bluehost is good for beginner bloggers, and in a second I will tell you all about the pros and cons of choosing Bluehost as the web host for your blog. And if you want to check out everything in detail, I will link to Bluehost in the description box down below. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of using Bluehost. The first pro is affordability. Bluehost plans start at just $2.95 per month. That's less than a cup of coffee, and you can't really find anything cheaper than that. And if that wasn't already a steal, Bluehost also comes with several freebies. You get a free domain name. If you go with another web host, you will have to pay for the hosting and for the domain name separately on top of the hosting fees. The domain name is included for free in the Bluehost plan, so you will save even more. Bluehost also comes with a free SSL certificate, which is essential for website security, and free email addresses. Having a professional email address that matches your domain name can make you look more credible to your audience and potential partners. With Bluehost, you can set up a free email address, so instead of using something like yourblog@gmail.com, you can have contact@yourblog.com. The next big pro is that Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress. WordPress powers over 40% of all the websites on the internet, which is a staggering number. So when WordPress officially recommends a hosting service, it's not something to take lightly. Being on WordPress's short list of recommended hosting services means that Bluehost has been vetted for performance, reliability, and ease of use with WordPress installations. It's like getting a big stamp of approval. For you as a new blogger, this endorsement can offer peace of mind. It means that Bluehost and WordPress play well together, making it easier for you to manage your site, install updates, and tackle any issues that might arise. It's one less thing to worry about as you navigate the already complex world of blogging. Also, because Bluehost is optimized for WordPress, you'll find that many WordPress plugins and themes are built to work seamlessly with Bluehost. This makes your life easier when it comes to extending the functionality and design of your blog. The next pro is its ease of use. If you're a beginner, Bluehost is incredibly user-friendly. Bluehost offers one-click WordPress installation. Literally, with just one click, you can have your WordPress site up and running. And if you need help with anything, they offer 24/7 customer support, which is a lifesaver when you're starting out and have tons of questions. The next big pro is that Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Commitment can be scary, especially when you're new to blogging. What if you change your mind and realize blogging isn't for you? Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try out their services, and if you're not satisfied, you can get a refund within the first 30 days. While Bluehost has a lot to offer to beginner bloggers, there are some drawbacks too. The first con of choosing Bluehost as your web host is its renewal rates. The low introductory price is great, but keep in mind that renewal rates can be much higher. But at that stage, you can always migrate to another host since it's very easy to swap. Another con is that Bluehost does try to upsell you on a lot of additional services, which can be annoying. Don't add any add-ons and keep the price low, as the basic plan will do the job. You also need to be aware of the pricing structure. Something that not many people mention is that the low introductory price of $2.95 per month is available if you commit to a 3-year plan. If you opt for a shorter term plan, the monthly rate will be a bit higher. So while it's budget friendly, make sure you're comfortable with the commitment or pick a different length as it will still be quite affordable. By the way, if you're enjoying the tips so far, hit the subscribe button to get more tips on how to start your blog and make money blogging. Back to Bluehost, let's see who should use it. If you're a new blogger who is just starting out, who's on a tight budget and wants a hassle-free, affordable hosting solution, Bluehost is a solid choice. It's perfect to use it with WordPress, given its seamless integration, and comes with so many freebies included in the hosting fees, which will allow you to save even more or invest in other things for your blog. Who should avoid Bluehost? If you're an experienced blogger looking for advanced features, or if you're running a large-scale, high-traffic website, you might want to look into a more specialized hosting solutions. Bluehost wouldn't be the right fit for you. Let's address the elephant in the room. You might have already heard this, or you might encounter it while you do your research to pick your web host. There is this misconception that people only recommend Bluehost because they offer high affiliate commissions. Now, it's true that like many other hosting services, Bluehost has a high-paying affiliate program, and I'm an affiliate myself. But let's put this into perspective. First off, the commission isn't sky high when you consider that I make thousands with my own products and that most bloggers who recommend Bluehost make 7 figures. Something that often gets lost in the debate over which web host is the best is that for many new bloggers, the real choice isn't between Bluehost and another premium web host. No, the real choice is often between using Bluehost or not having a self-hosted blog at all, because the alternatives to Bluehost are too expensive. And this is a big deal that has nothing to do with affiliate commissions. The most important thing for you as a new blogger is that you start on self-hosted WordPress. It's in your best interest, it's crucial for your long-term success, and that's why I recommend Bluehost. Bluehost allows you to start with a self-hosted blog with minimal investment. You can always upgrade or migrate to another host later, but the key is to start off on the right foot, which is a self-hosted blog on WordPress.org. And for that, Bluehost is a solid, affordable choice. It's the getaway to self-hosting if you're on a tight budget. And let's be clear, starting on a self-hosted WordPress site is not negotiable. If you opt for a free platform, you're setting yourself up for limitations that can seriously hinder your growth and monetization potential. Free platforms and even premium platforms that are not WordPress, such as Squarespace or Wix, come with lots of limitations. You will have limited customization, you will be stuck with basic themes and won't be able to add custom plugins. You will have limited monetization options. With free platforms, you don't truly own your blog. You, of course, have the copyright to your content, but you don't own your own website. These platforms can shut down your blog without notice if you violate their terms, even accidentally. With free platforms, you can also run into scalability issues. As your blog grows, you might want to add new features or handle more traffic. Free platforms can be very limiting in this regard. Plus, if you're only starting out now, going with the mainstream option is a safer bet, as most, if not all, advice, posts, and tools cater to and are targeted to self-hosted WordPress blog. So, in that light, Bluehost becomes not just a viable option, but a highly recommended one for new bloggers. Is Bluehost the best host? No. Is Bluehost the host I use? No. But it's what gets the job done for beginner bloggers at the time you're on a tight budget and you could invest your money on something else to grow your blog. The number one goal here is for you to get self-hosted, and what I've learned over the years is it's not always right to promote what I personally use. Why? Because what's perfect for me might not be the best fit for you, especially if you're just starting out and are on a tight budget. I'm currently on the Go Geek plan with SiteGround. It's a fantastic service with lots of bells and whistles that I find useful at this stage of my blogging journey. But the Go Geek plan offers a lot of advanced features that frankly most new bloggers don't need, and it comes at a higher price point. I've just recently spent over $1,500 on renewal fees. Recommending it to beginners would be a disservice because it might overwhelm you and stretch your budget without a real need. That's why I recommend Bluehost for those who are new to blogging. It offers the essential features you need to get started, is budget friendly, and it's easy to use. As you grow and your needs evolve, you can always upgrade or switch to a hosting service that offers more advanced features. Because again, the most important thing is that you start on self-hosted WordPress. If you start on a self-hosted WordPress site with Bluehost and later decide you want to switch to a different web host, the process is relatively straightforward. Web hosts often offer migration services, and there are plenty of tutorials and plugins that can help you make the move without losing your content or SEO rankings. And this is so important. Why? Because changing your web host is way easier than changing your blogging platform altogether. If you start on a free platform and later decide to move to a self-hosted WordPress site, the migration process can be complicated. You'll have to deal with exporting and importing your content, and there is a good chance you'll face formatting issues, broken links, and even potential SEO setbacks. And do you know why I know all of this? Because I made that mistake, and I don't want you to make the same mistake I did. I started on the premium business plan of Squarespace, and I then moved to a self-hosted WordPress once I realized all the limitations of not being on self-hosted WordPress. And let me tell you, the migration was painful. We had to deal with domain transfer, DNS propagation, content migration, redirection of URLs, website redevelopment, and many other problems and issues. In the process, we lost most of our comments, some shares, over 5 points in domain authority and page authority, Alexa ranking, lots of traffic, and so on. So do yourself a favor and start on the right foot with a self-hosted WordPress. And if you want to learn more about how to start a blog the right way, then make sure you click the link in my description box, because I have a free guide that will dive deeper into how to create your own blog and get you started. This guide will walk you through the blueprint I used to start my blog that turned into a multiple six-figure business, and comes with in-depth strategies, assignments, and tons of actionable tips, so you don't want to miss out. Get it for free at the link in the description box below. In my opinion, Bluehost is a great starting point for new bloggers. It offers a balance of affordability, ease of use, and reliability. As you grow, you might want to explore other options that offer more advanced features, but for now, Bluehost is the perfect affordable getaway to self-hosted WordPress. And if you want to learn more about my nightmare of starting on Squarespace instead of self-hosted WordPress, watch this video next, where I go through all the blogging mistakes I made that set my blog back and what to do instead. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao e a presto!